Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print Lifetime Expressions square candles. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side and click on the Print Information button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to download our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF file has generated, you'll want to review the product to make sure that everything has generated correctly. Once you're satisfied with your results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting at the top, we'll select our desired printer. Here, you'll change the number of copies you want to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: Actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and portrait. On the right-hand side, we'll want to make sure that the document size and page size match in both width and height. From there, we'll go into the advanced properties and make a few changes at the bottom. Our document size and orientation will remain the same. Below that, we'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we'll change our paper type to thick 1. This is to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. At this point, we can register our current settings and create a preset by naming it here and clicking OK. Once you do this, an icon will appear, and the next time you print a product with these dimensions, you'll simply click on the product here, and it will change it to the exact settings that you have now. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.